What's going on, people? We're back again. I just wanted to do a little video on supermarket fireworks. I know they're not always the best and they're quite expensive, to be honest, as well. Or not all of them. And we'll get to that in a minute. But this is my point of the video. It's important to always buy a little something from the supermarket firework places. And here's why. Because if you don't, and people stop buying from them, then they're not going to be there. Just a few families buying from them isn't enough. Or there is a lot of families that buy from them, but yeah, as most of you know, the fireworks used to be a big thing in supermarkets in the UK and not so much anymore. This is all you really see. You might see a firework stand in some stores, but in places like Lidl, this is all you see. A little leaflet, and they're usually hidden as well. But yeah, you gotta always make sure you buy a little something from the supermarket. We need to keep the firework tradition going. The more fireworks you get from the supermarkets, the more likely they're going to get more decent fireworks in. Or yeah, I don't know whether they'll get decent fireworks in. You're always better going to a shop, an actual fireworks shop. But yeah, if you don't buy from supermarkets, they're gonna stop selling them, basically. And yeah, that's not a good thing. Because we want people to enjoy their fireworks, don't we? Like this, look. 125 quid. Display pack. Rockets. A couple of fountains. Yeah, that's quite expensive. 45 quid. Monster display pack. Quite expensive again. 75 quid. Goliath display pack. Again, it's really expensive. Or yeah, you'd be better off going to a fireworks shop and getting the display pack from a fireworks shop. You'd get a lot better deal and a lot better fireworks. But then they do stuff like that. £15 low noise. I mean, that doesn't look too bad. That would be good for the little ones. A £30 display pack. It's a little bit expensive, but yeah, it looks like there's some alright stuff in there. Well, you know what comes in display packs, but yeah, anyway. I bought a UFO because I was quite interested in these. They spin quite nicely. I've opened up the top and yeah, not very impressive, but it should still be nice. What is interesting though is how it comes on ball bearings. I've not seen a fountain on ball bearings before. Not a massive NEC on it. And also not a manufacturer I'm aware of. CT Pyro Group Limited. Interesting. hopefully it's good anyway. It looks interesting. The flight of the bumblebees, I always get a couple of them from the supermarkets because they're quite good and they're not overpriced either. In fact, you'll find that they're more expensive in firework shops usually than in the supermarkets. £8 in the supermarkets, they're usually a tenner plus. I also got a lightning bolt. It doesn't look amazing, doesn't feel very heavy, but still I think it'll be pretty good. Or it won't be very bad anyway. Or we'll see, I don't know. And then I got a couple of wailing witches. These used to be 100 shot, they've gone down to 81 shots now, but still £6, not a bad price, and it helps the firework stalls out. So yeah, make sure you buy your fireworks or a few fireworks at the supermarkets. We need to keep the traditions going. Peace out, people. Oh wait, hang on, let's have a look what they got in Lidl. Single shot. See that's more like it. A little 14-piece selection box, $14.99. Nothing wrong with that. Not a very big selection at all though. Hardly anything. Anyway, make sure you buy a few fireworks from the supermarkets so they don't stop selling them. Peace out, people.